Okay, we have a Marvel high column vertical bandsaw, model Series 8 Mark II, serial number 830798. This machine was new in 2009 and we're gonna run her for you. Machine has an 18-inch throat depth, a 28-inch work height at the 90. When you tilt it down to 45, it's 18 by 17. It's variable speed, blade speed, up to 450 surface feet per minute. Right now he's feeding the head what would be through the material. You have the VISE there. You have 18 inches of stroke. Machine does have a coolant system as well. And that's it. And then you can go back. You bring it back. And you can tilt it, unlocks it, pushes the frame, relocks it. Other direction. You can go 45 degrees plus and minus from center, each direction. And again, it does have a coolant system. Hey, thank you for watching our video.